this year though, this year I'm gonna do better with my money. Yeah, I'm gonna do the right things with this money. We're gonna make this money grow. We're gonna stop buying all this dumb shit we don't need. I'm gonna stop doing all that. I'm gonna put this money to good use. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do this year. We're gonna do better. We're gonna do better. Let's go.
3 days later.
Yeah, man, I sure could use that new iPad. That'll help me with my business. Yeah. Nah, but I better wait. But shit, I just got this money, though. I'm going to go ahead and get it. Hell yeah. Let's go get it. Man, I sure could use a new laptop, man. One of those new MacBook Pros, man. I got the money, man. Got this income tax money. I need to go ahead and get it, man. Yeah, because that's going to make me do better in life. Getting that MacBook. Go get it. Make it happen. Oh, damn. The new iPhone just came out. I got to have that, man. I mean, it's got a better camera. I got to get that. Yes, sir. Man, this is some bullshit. I ain't got nothing to wear. I need to go get me some new gear. I still got some of that income tax money left. Yeah, I need to get me something new fresh to wear, man. I ain't got shit in here to wear, man. Nothing, man. I ain't got no kicks, man. Ain't none of these shoes go with none of this shit I got in here, man. None of this. I need to get some new J's. The new J's come out, man. Hell yeah, I'm gonna go get some new J's. Yeah. Go to the mall, get me some gear. Get me some kicks. Yeah. I'm good, man. I'm gonna get some more shoes. Oh, man, they coming to town for a concert? Oh, my God, I gotta go to that. Man, I just put on my credit card, pay it off a little bit at a time. Be good to go. They ain't never come back till now, so I gotta go. Yeah, let me hit submit. Go ahead and get these tickets. Hell yeah, gotta go to that. What's up, everybody? I'm back with another banging video for your head top. Hey, for all my new subscribers, man, I want to say thank you so much. And if you just happen to come across my channel for the first time, I want to say welcome. My name is Chad. I'm going to be bringing a lot of dope content to the channel every week. And the truth of the matter is, man, you guys could have been anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me. I appreciate that. That means everything to me. But today's topic, man, we're going to be talking about money, 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 money. How to make more money in 2020, man. What we need to do to make more money. How to get more coins, more paperbacks, whatever you call them. How to get that bread. But before we get to that, man, I need you to go ahead and smash that like button, man. Smash it like your favorite Instagram model. Smash that subscribe button, man, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload new content. And one last thing, man, go ahead and share this thing with everybody you know, man. It really helps the channel out. So we almost at 100 subscribers, man. I'm just starting out. Let's get this party rocking good. So we got some tips for 2020 on how to make more money. Tip number 1, change your deductions on your W-4 form at work. If you're an employee, if you work a job, a 9 to 5, whatever that may be, you're a W-2 employee. If you're receiving a tax refund every year, that's money that you should be bringing in to yourself. You basically are giving the IRS a loan without gaining any interest. So when you get that tax refund, whether it be $300, $3,000, $7,000, $5,000, whatever, you basically have letting the government hold your money for 12 months, and it's not gaining any interest. Money is nothing but a tool, guys. It's all money is a tool. And if you use it the right way, you'll have a lot of it. If you don't use it in the right way, you won't have none of it. So tip number 1 is going to work and change your W-4 form. You say, well, Chad, that's kind of tricky. I don't know what to do. Don't worry about it. I got you. I got you. In the description below, there's a link to a tax with, W-4 tax form calculator. You just plug in your numbers, whatever you make, all your information. It's going to tell you exactly what you need to deduct, how much you need to deduct from your check. So you won't owe the government any money, but you won't get a refund. You'll get your money. You'll get a raise as soon as you change your deductions, your pay is going to go up. So that's more money coming to you on every paycheck. That's tip number one. Tip number two, you got to stop spending all your damn money. Stop spending all the time buying shit that you don't need. That's the number one killer of everybody's financial situation. Spending money. You saw the skit at the beginning of the video. Going to get a laptop. Money gone. Right? Going to get an iPad. Money gone. Gotta get those clothes. Gotta get those new off-white Jordans. The Jordans just came out. Gotta get those clothes. Money gone. Oh, new concert coming to town. You know, the concert coming to town, and he ain't never coming back ever again. If I don't go this year, if I don't go see her, if I don't go see him, they ain't never coming back. Let's do that. Let's put that on the credit card. Guys, we gotta stop spending our money, man. It's not an income problem that we have, right? It's not so much the income problem. It's the spending is what the problem is. This is why you don't have your money. So that's tip number two. Stop spending all your money. Tip number three, pay off that debt, man. You gotta get out of debt. You gotta get that debt gone. That taxes and debt are the two biggest killers for people's financial situations. Taxes and debt. You got to get your debt out of the way. Credit cards, school loans, auto loans, those little fast payback cash, those title loan places. You know what I'm talking about. I've been there before. I've done that before. You know, you got, because all this debt has all that interest on it. And the sooner you can get that down and get that cleared out, you'll be much better off. You'll have a lot more money in your pocket. You say, well, Chad, I owe a lot of debt. Well, it's going to take a little time to get out of that debt. It took you some time to get in. You didn't get all in the debt in one night, one day, one weekend. It took time. So it's going to take a little time to get out of it. You got to get focused in. You got to lock in. You have so much more freedom when you don't have debt, guys. I'm telling you, I have no car note. I have no school loans. And it's a great feeling. It's awesome. That allows me to have extra money to go do other stuff, to get, to start other stuff that I'm going to talk about in another tip. So you got to get that debt cleared out. And when you get, when you change your W-4 form, and tip number one, what I was talking about at work, that's going to bring in more income for you. Net income. Like your salary, you're not getting a raise, but you are getting a raise because you're getting more net money on your paycheck. So get that debt cleared. Step number 4, man, start a side hustle, man. It's so easy to make money in 2020, man. You're like, well, I don't know what I can do. What should I do? What are your interests are? When you first get on your phone, when you log into Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, like you're watching me, what are your interests? What keeps your interest when you're scrolling through everything, looking at pictures, looking at videos? What is holding your interest? What are your friends telling you you're good at? For me, it was like, hey man, you're pretty good at editing videos. You're pretty good at taking photos. You're pretty good at drone work, doing drone videos and drone photos. So I turned that into a business for myself. Like, what are you passionate about? What do you like doing? Figure it out. Start a YouTube channel. I'm just starting out on a YouTube channel. There's tons of ways to make money. I got some ideas in the description below, some links to some different ideas that you can get started on. Go be a driver. Ride share is huge. I know guys that make a ton of money in the ride share industry. Go be a driver if you like driving. There's so many endless opportunities out here to make some additional income. So tip number 4 is to start a side hustle. Tip number 5, tap into hidden income, guys. Well, Chad, what do you mean by tapping into hidden income? Call your cell phone company. See if there's any, are they charging you extra fees for things you're not even using? Pick up the phone. Hey, this is Chad, man. I'm just calling, my bill a little high. You know, I'm seeing if there's anything we can make differences. You know, what kind of features on here that I got that I'm not using. Call your cable company. You know, I call DirecTV. Hey, I've been with y'all a long time. Why is my bill high? Why my bill so high? I've been with y'all for several years. What can we do? I'm thinking about leaving. I'm going to go over here to Infinity. I'm going to go to somebody else. What can we do? Well, hold on, Mr. Powell. Let's look at your service and see what's going on. See how we can help. Cancel that gym membership. You're not going to the gym. You ain't going. Why are you paying that $20 a month? That's more money in your pocket. You take it away out of your pocket. Cancel that stuff, man. Car insurance. When the last time you called your car insurance to see what you can take off your car insurance that'll keep you legal and safe and not get sued or anything? But there's some features, there's some different services you got on there that you might not even you're never going to use. Get that stuff taken off. So tip number 5 is tap into that hidden income. I'm not going to keep much of your time today, so I just want to go over those 5 tips with you guys. I hope this information was valuable to you. You know, I'm going to be bringing a lot of different content to the channel, just going through my life experiences and what's helped me, what's guided me to see money in a different light than what I used to see it. Because to be honest with you guys, didn't nobody teach us this when we was growing up. Nobody told us what to do with money. All we were taught was go to school, get a good job, get in debt, get a mortgage, get car loans, get school loans, and just pay the man our money until the day we die. We got to stop that. It's 2020, man. We got to go out here and get these coins, man, to make this money. So I'm going to go ahead and close this video out, man. And until the next one, man, keep that positive energy, man, and be blessed. Peace.